everyone, assalamu alaikum. Today I am starting off with my Python language series. So this is how a Python program looks like. Okay, so we will start off with some variable use and some print statement that will be printing some string values. So here you can see there are some print statements and they are printing some string values. Okay, so the main thing to notice here is that if we are required to print the same thing over and over again, we will have to type it again and again. But what we can do, we can assign a variable to that specific part of string that we want to use over and over again. As you can see, there is a name and age that we are using again and again. So I am just storing that specific part of string to a variable, and I will be using the variable name for it. I will use the variable name instead of it. So this will help us to change the value on each and every location. We won't have to type it on each and every location. We will just change it from one location and it will change from everywhere. Okay, so now you can see the output is same, but we have used the variable value instead. Now if I want to print out any other name, what I will simply do is I will just change the variable value and it will change from each and every location, as you can see. Similarly, I am assigning another variable here, that is age, and I will just replace the value with the variable name. Okay, so as you can see, it has not changed the output, but now if I'm required to change the value of age, I will just replace it from one location and you can see the difference. Okay, so these were some variable use, and now what I'm going to do is I'm overriding my variables. I will override my variable name with another name, and all the statements that are being executed after I have overridden my variables, the value will change there. Okay, as you can see, the last statement of print is being executed after I have overridden the variables, so the values there have changed. Okay, so these were some uses of variables. I am going to show you some other data types that are being used in Python. I am not going to implement them, but I will just show you. So this is how some integer or float value looks like. And if you want to get a true or a false value against any variable, then it will be a boolean type. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, now I will be using some functions on the variables. The two main functions that I will be using is lower and upper. When I will concat the name, concat the variable like name dot lower, what the function will simply do is it will take the value of the variable and convert it into lowercase. Okay, the same will go for upper function. Okay, I'll just change the value from lowercase to uppercase, from uppercase to lowercase, and now you can see the value is being changed from lower to uppercase. Okay, so this was it for today. If you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you so much.